Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Supra MK4 versus other cars, which is better. Follow along as I break down acceleration, chassis feel, and long-term value in simple terms. I'll walk you through real driving impressions, maintenance realities, and tuning potential so you can decide what matters most. Stay tuned for clear takeaways that help you choose between raw power, balance, or everyday usability without confusing jargon. Let's dive into how the Supra MK4 performs on road and track, focusing on real-world feel instead of headline numbers. I'll explain throttle response, turbo spool, and braking confidence so you can sense which car rewards driver input. We'll compare acceleration, mid-range pull, and how each platform responds after tuning, emphasizing drivability and reliability rather than just stopwatch claims, so you know what to expect behind the wheel. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more comparisons and reviews. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and lunches tidy on long drives to meets, perfect for track day fuel or garage snacks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set for yourself. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover ownership realities that matter to your wallet and long-term satisfaction. I'll discuss typical maintenance items, tuning costs, and factors that influence insurance and resale value for the Supra MK4 versus alternatives. You'll learn which choices add lasting value and which modifications raise ongoing expenses. This segment helps prospective owners budget smarter and understand trade-offs between initial purchase price and lifetime ownership costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.